you beautiful people out there, my name is Majestic Muffin and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. Today I'm doing ghost face, but that part is easy. The part that you guys are gonna learn today is a Bruise tutorial, which I've done a few times on this channel, but it's been a while since I've done one, like a few years. So Bruise, ouchie, ooh, ow. And then also part of this, I was masculinizing my face a little bit. So you guys got some of that as well. And yeah, so enjoy. I should probably take my glasses off. How did I put this on? This is difficult. Did it. Hey guys. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Enjoy.